Are you building a website on Wix? Ever been in a pinch trying to build something or simply just didn't understand how? What if I told you there is no longer any need to worry about that? What if I said you could save massive amounts of time and stress? Introducing Ask Wix, the first ever on-demand expert service for small jobs and micro projects in Wix. We have built a seamless service to handle small jobs and micro projects for your Wix website that's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply press Get Started on our website and our system will walk you through step by step on starting your first micro project with us. After using our system, we will review your project and send you further details plus a quote. Absolutely no monthly fees and completely reasonable costs. In fact, an average micro project only costs a minimum of $50 to start. Even better, you only pay once the work is complete and you are totally satisfied. Satisfaction guaranteed. Our on-demand team of experts are standing by, thrilled and excited to save you time and make building a website in Wix a breeze. So what are you waiting for? Take back your time, remove your stress, and allow us to handle your Wix micro project.